Hello my friend, how are you? I hope you and your loved ones are doing really well today and keeping safe and healthy. So today I want to do autumn to winter makeup look using this Colourpop palette. This one's called Smoking Hot. And this was requested by one of my dear subscribers of mine, and I hope that you love the makeup look I'll do with this palette. I'm also going to use like a cream blush, some lip products right now, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you in real quick. So first I'm going to use this lip balm from Colourpop in collaboration with Harry Potter. This is a Gryffindor lip balm. This one has flavor. I really like it. It's from the Fourth Ray Beauty. So this is up close for the palette. This is from Colourpop. And these are the shades. They're really, really pretty. You can see how beautiful the colors are, especially the shimmers. Unfortunately, I'm able to put on eyeshadow again. I don't know if you saw from my last video. I had like a red situation going on my lower eyelid right here. And I noticed it right after I filmed that video. I think it was the... what was it? What was the last video I uploaded? Let me check. Okay, it was a pre-Thanksgiving look. Okay, so from that day forward, I think I had like a little eye infection, and I think it's because I haven't been washing my brushes, and I haven't been washing my reusable cotton pads to remove my makeup, especially my eye area. So I think that's how I got it. So hygiene is so important. Now I'm like super paranoid and keeping my clean brushes around, disinfecting everything. Okay, the first shade I want to take is called Paprika. So Paprika looks like this. Actually, I want a more fluffier brush. This one is from Sonia Kashuk. This is a blending crease brush. We'll take this one instead. Okay, now I'm going to take this really dark shade. This one is called What a Babe. Oh, that's so cute. Yeah, especially if you have a really handsome man around you. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'll be taking the Prolux blending brush now. Okay, so for my all over shimmer shade, I'm taking this shade called Molten. This one here. It's called Molten. I think that's a really pretty sparkly winter shade. It could like represent the snow or the holiday lights. It looks really sparkly, really pretty. Okay, now for inner corner, I'm going to take this one right here. This one is called Sahara. And I'll be taking my Equal Tools micro smudge brush. Okay, for my last shade, I'm going to take Death Valley and put that on my brow bone. This one's really pretty. It's like a matte, but it has sparkles in it. Okay, so I am done using this palette. Now I'm going to move on with this cream blush, and I'll be taking my Equal Tools cream blush. So it's a cream blush brush. That's what I meant to say. I'm not sure what color it is, but my sister did give this to me last year for a Christmas gift. And it's really pretty. It has like shimmer in it, so I probably won't be using a highlighter because this one does have shimmer in it already. It's like a really pretty color. Okay, so I'm just going to set with powder real quick just to set the cream blush. And I'll be taking my Sonia Kashuk powder brush. It's like a really fluffy brush. Now I'm just going to use this highlighter from Revolution, and I'll be taking my e.l.f. highlighting brush. It's perfect for highlighter. It's like a little small one, and this one's called Just My Type. how the cream blush did have shimmer in it, but I want a little bit more shimmer. Okay, now the last thing is I'm going to take my Victoria's Secret lip gloss in Twinkling Cranberry. This is like a shimmery gloss. It's really, really pretty on the lips. And it does taste like a sweet cranberry. Okay, my friends, so this is my finished look. Now, I absolutely love this Colourpop palette. I love Colourpop in general. I think they offer such affordability with their eyeshadows and overall with their makeup brand and skincare items. And this palette, I just absolutely love it. I love how the shimmers look. It was really easy to blend with the mattes, and overall I'm absolutely in love. This cream blush from what was it, from Ulta Beauty? This one was really good. Love the highlighter as always. And the Victoria's Secret lip gloss, just, it's always a favorite. So that will be it for today's video, my friend. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to my dear subscriber for suggesting that I use this palette. So I hope that you loved the tutorial. May God bless always. I hope that you have a good day or night, whatever time you are watching. And if you're new to my channel, I hope that you consider and subscribing. And if you're my returning viewer, thank you so much for being here. I love you as always. And please feel free to like the video as well. That way you let me know if you like this kind of video from me. But anyway, thank you so much for being here. And I will see you soon in my next video. Bye, my friends.